iPhone alert, unofficial screen repairs are breaking smartphones after iOS 11.3 update. Apple iPhone 8 owners have been warned about getting screen repairs from third-party vendors. Apple's latest iOS 11.3 software update is reportedly causing iPhone 8 devices that have had screens repaired by third parties to stop working. Owners that chose a third-party vendor to repair their iPhone screen over Apple have allegedly seen their touch screen stop working after updating to iOS 11.3. Affected users said the display on their iPhone 8 continued to show the home screen, but after updating to iOS 11.3 it could not be interacted with, Motherboard reported. Michael Oberdick, the owner and operator of iPhone repair and pre-owned store iOutlet, said his firm had previously decided against fixing iPhone 8s. He said, "We don't even do the 8 repairs this year, on purpose. I had a really good feeling that something like this was going to happen again. Last year a similar thing happened with the iPhone 7. An iOS update prevented touch screens working on that line of devices which had been fitted with third-party repaired screens. Apple later released a follow-up software update which made the touch screens work again and resolved the issue. So far, Apple have not commented on the claims." Oberdick added that every iPhone screen is powered by a small microchip, and the repair community believes this component is causing the issues. Until now, third-party shops have been able to replace iPhone 8 screens without any problems. But Oberdick believes something in the iOS 11.3 update has stopped the touch functionality in these devices. Apple launched iOS 11.3 at the end of March, and it brought with it new features such as performance and battery upgrades plus all new animojis. One of the big headline features of the update is iOS users finally have the ability to check the performance of their phone. iOS 11.3 added the ability to show how healthy the battery is and recommend if it needs to be serviced. Additionally, users can see if the power management feature that dynamically manages maximum performance to prevent unexpected shutdowns, first introduced in iOS 10.2.1, is on and can choose to turn it off. Other features include new animojis and an improved augmented reality experience. The iOS 11.3 update weighs it at around 700 MB. Over the weekend Apple also pushed out developer and public betas of the next iPhone and iPad update, iOS 11.4. The beta build includes 2 of the previous version's most noted omissions. The first Messages in iCloud makes a return after it missed the final iOS 11.3 release. It's unclear why this feature, which was first announced during Apple's annual developer conference last year, was dropped from the final version of iOS 11.3. Once iMessage on iCloud rolls out worldwide, iPhone and iPad users will be able to delete iMessage conversations to save space on your Apple device. Conversations, GIFs, videos, and photos will still be accessible across your other Apple hardware and via the web, thanks to iCloud. The second feature is the ability to pair 2 HomePod speakers to create stereo sound. Apple previewed the feature when it unveiled its HomePod smart speaker last year.